Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta Hotel, where sophisticated design meets top-notch amenities. This luxurious destination boasts stunning architecture, meticulously designed to immerse guests in an elegant atmosphere. Join us as we explore what makes this hotel a perfect choice for your 2024 vacation. The Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta Hotel enjoys an ideal location along the breathtaking coastline, offering guests easy access to the beautiful beaches of the Pacific. With proximity to vibrant local attractions and a straightforward route from the airport, it's the perfect base for your unforgettable getaway. At Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, guests can choose from a variety of luxurious room types, each offering breathtaking ocean views. Modern amenities such as high-speed internet and spacious layouts, combined with tasteful and elegant decor, create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation and comfort during your stay. The dining experiences at Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta are unparalleled, featuring a selection of on-site restaurants that cater to every palate. Guests can delight in diverse menu options ranging from local Mexican cuisine to international dishes, all served within a beautifully designed ambience, ensuring a memorable culinary adventure. Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta boasts a wealth of amenities to enhance your stay. Enjoy multiple sparkling pools, a rejuvenating spa, and a fully equipped fitness center. For those seeking adventure, diverse activities include water sports and excursions, ensuring that both relaxation and excitement are at your fingertips. Embark on a captivating walking tour of the Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, where you will discover the resort's stunning lush gardens and picturesque beachfront. Relax in elegant lounges that provide a serene atmosphere, inviting you to unwind and soak in the beauty of this luxurious paradise. In this segment, we will delve into authentic guest reviews and experiences at the Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta. By sharing unique stories and candid feedback, these testimonials provide valuable insights into the quality of service, accommodations, and overall enjoyment, helping you set realistic expectations for your stay. As we wrap up our review of the Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, we provide our personal recommendations based on the hotel's amenities, dining, and guest experiences. We'll share an overall rating, helping you determine if this paradise is the ideal destination for your next unforgettable getaway.